my previous video, I spoke of the facts of the case of Imran Pratapgarhi. The man narrated a simple poem at a function which invited an FIR against him. The Gujarat High Court did not grant him any relief and therefore he went up to the Supreme Court. Today I will tell you all as to why this case is a landmark in law, landmark for India, landmark for we the people of India. The Supreme Court bench constituting of the great Justice Abhay S. Oak and Justice Ujjal Bhuyan. I hold both these judges in the highest esteem. What they say in the judgment at the outset is worth reading. They say, I quote, on 26th January 2025, our constitution became 75 years old. One of the most important fundamental rights conferred on the citizens of India is under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution. It is the fundamental right of freedom of speech and expression. This case shows that even after 75 years of the existence of our Constitution, the law enforcement machinery of the state is either ignorant about this important fundamental right or does not care for this fundamental right. The Supreme Court goes on to say in this judgment that wherever any offense concerns spoken words or written words, the police, before registering an FIR, before investigating the case, before harassing the citizen, must apply the principles of freedom of speech and expression before taking any action. It's a very important principle that protects we the people of India. You would read in the newspapers of so many cases being registered across the country, in different parts of the country, in different states, where a man spoke of something, he wrote something, and it invited an FIR. Now the Supreme Court has said that the police must be sensitized by the government, by the state. They must understand what is the meaning, what is the expansive meaning of the great preeminent fundamental right to freedom of speech and expression. The police force in the country is colonial. The Supreme Court has said that time and again. The police force must understand that we, the people of India, are living in this day and age of the artificial intelligence, Gen Z, Gen X, etc. Therefore, it's a landmark in law, and the Supreme Court has cautioned the police not to register cases where the allegations pertain to written or spoken words. Therefore, in my view, this judgment is a landmark for the country, although it has gone unnoticed.